Hey, so we couldn't continue our tip section without, of course, saying that there are words that we do loan from Arabic, funnily enough. All right? Now, there aren't as many Arabic words in English as you might think, but here's a couple to get you started. Sherbet, which I found out was Arabic recently. And sherbet, of course, if any of you are from the British Isles or Ireland, will know it is that wonderful powder that you stick a lollipop in and put it in your mouth, and it has that tingling taste on your tongue. You can also mix it with water. However, in fact, sherbet comes from the Arabic word, which means like a frozen dessert. All right? Funny one. Assassin. Assassin, of course, is a false friend. Be careful here. Because what an assassin actually is in English is a person who's contracted for killing somebody for political or religious reasons. If you wanted to say asesino, you would say a killer or a murderer. So be careful with that one. Then in Asia, if any of you have ever traveled to Asia, you will know that they have a season called monsoon season. And monsoon season is when there's lots of rain and wind from the south. Okay? So don't travel to places like Thailand, Vietnam, and Laos during monsoon season, or you will be sure to get extremely wet. Last one we have is a souk. A souk is an outdoor market in Arabic countries and North Africa. It also has the word zouk with a Z, not with an S in Arabic. We have a similar word, which is bazaar, which comes from Persian, in fact, and is used quite often in Iran and other places in the Middle East. So be sure not to confuse bazaar with bizarre, which of course is something strange. Have a good one.